Bomb planted. Bomb in position.
Welcome to the ring game. See, Elton, Baby, and Mommy B.
Hey boys, what you got there?
Army men.
Are they army men?
Pew, 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 pew.
Oh my goodness, what do you think goes with some army men?
The thing is going to run over them and then they're going to fall down.
That's right, we have this army tank. Look how cool it is. Let's show everybody. This army tank, it's really tiny, but it's so cool. Sgile sent it to us. Thank you so much, Sgile, for sending this to us. It is so super, super cool. It is the Armor Corps multifunctional remote control tank. It is a 172 remote control tank. That's a smaller one, smaller size. Yeah, we're gonna open it up and try it out, okay? And look how detailed it is. Even the box is pretty awesome. All the packaging and stuff. Look how thick that is. No cracks and breaks there. But this is super cool. And it's a blue tank. And it is for ages 6+. So let's open it up and check it out. What do you think, guys?
It's going to be awesome.
Yeah, it's going to be totally awesome. Let's open this thing up. I'll show you real quick what it looks like out of the box. It's attached here, and this you can actually probably just store it. It's a really nice little container. You can snap that back on here, and when you turn it around, the remote controller's over here, and then you just pop this off, and then you have the remote controller in there that you can take out. Looks like it takes 4 AA batteries, so those just pop right in there real easy. The antenna comes separate, so we just screw that right in there. So there we go, it's all screwed in. Got the batteries in there. And then we have this, it's a little charger that you can pull this out and it sticks on to the end of it. But let's get him off of here first. And it looks like the tank, it just has a little screw in there, so you unscrew that to take that out. All right, so here we go. It comes with a little instruction booklet if you guys need to read on it. And it looks like it charges on the back. So you just simply plug that in there. And there's an on-off switch for this tank alone. This is so detailed. Look how cute it is. Look at the little guy there. He's there too. And I believe this thing moves around.
We're going to try it first.
Yeah, we're going to try it out and look at it. Look at the little, I don't know what you call it around the world. But it is so cute. Here we go, a little map right here, what everything does.
So maybe this one should do it.
Low speed, high speed, indicator, right turning, the turret rotation, and then you plug it up to charge it. All right, so we have a little tank, and we are going to turn it on. Oh, look at the noises it makes. All right, let's show everybody what it does real quick, okay? Woo! Woo!
Let's try it now.
Can you turn the sound off? Oh, look at this, boys! Woo! Look how cool!
Mommy, can I try it now?
What else it does? Let's see. Woo! Did you see that? I think it just maybe adjusts the wheels. Too big for that. Alright, so we're going to learn how to work it some more and then we're going to test it out. Does that sound good? Don't eat Army Man. You need him for testing. Alright, guys. Oh no, do you hear that? Over? Nope. What was that, sir? I hear something coming. Do you see anything yet? better be ready. Let's get a battle face on.
Yeah.
Zeke, are the army men protecting you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh no, they need to protect LJ. It's getting him. Oh no!
No.
Go to you. Woo!
I'll get you good now.
Wow! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I'm gonna get the other.
All right, he's back up and charging. You can just charge him for a few minutes. Woo! Zeke, what do you think of this tank? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's pretty cool, isn't it?
I'm gonna get you.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. And also, if you guys want to purchase this little tank, it's super cute. We have a 10% off discount that you can use. I'll put that in the description below. And you guys check them out. Like you can order them on Amazon. Use a discount. It's just such a cute little tank. I actually really like the little scale of it better than the big one. So. Little tank. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.